Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely fake, but it is 100% real. Watch till the end because this one will break your brain. During World War II, the most mechanized, deadliest war in human history, one British soldier showed up carrying a Scottish sword, a longbow, and bagpipes. His name was Jack Churchill, and he actually used all three in combat. He once captured 42 German soldiers using nothing but a sword. One man, one sword, 42 prisoners. He led beach invasions while playing bagpipes at full volume, bullets flying everywhere, completely calm. And historians believe he is the last soldier in modern warfare to kill an enemy with a longbow. A longbow. In 1943. Here is the part that hits different, though. When the atomic bomb ended the war, Jack Churchill did not celebrate. He said the bomb had stolen the only thing he ever truly loved. Not the war itself. The fight. The honor. The way it used to mean something. He was not a joke. He was the last of something real.